beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video. It finally came here in my dorm room, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'm so excited to do an unboxing and review and many videos on my channel with this phone. I waited for it to arrive for about a month and a half, so I'm very excited to do this video, and yeah, let's get right on with the video. As you can guys see, this is the iPhone box, and yeah, before we get on with the unboxing, I want to show you my little cactus and say hi to it. And yeah, let's get right on with the unboxing. So this is the box, just the back of the phone, and as you can see, the three cameras. On the right side, iPhone. On the bottom side, just the Apple logo. Left side, iPhone again, and let's see, yeah, Apple logo again. I really like the box because it's very thin, even though we lost the charging brick, but you know, it's very thin and it feels really compact. Also, I like the color, you know, just straight black and with the black phone. This is the space gray, and yeah, this is the front. Let's see the back. This is just the little pull tab, and that's about it. No wrapping paper or stuff like that. As you can see, this is the 13 Pro Max, and this phone is compatible with 5G, but as you can see over here, it says it's 5G and sub 6G. So I don't know what is that supposed to mean, but I only heard about 5G. So at least in my country is the maximum that we can use. The bad thing about this box and this phone is that we only get a USB to Lightning cable, and yeah, that's about it. Headphones are sold separately. You can buy, you know, from their side the headphones and everything else, but yeah, you are not gonna get you know, a charging brick or headphones. That's a bummer, because I really like their wired headphones. On the bottom, as you can see, this is the graphite. I said that it's space gray, but yeah, this is the graphite. Also 128 gigs of memory. I only got the 128 gigs of memory because my other phone is 64, and that's, you know, plenty enough for now. But with 128, I think I'm not gonna need, you know, for a really long time to upgrade the memory. More Apple stuff. So yeah, let's open it because I'm so excited. So little pull tab. Okay, that's the one on the top and the one on the bottom. Yeah, very satisfying. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, so this is the iPhone. I really like the box because it's got this little cut, as you can see. Yeah, so that's the top of the box, and this is the phone. It's so nice. It's really great to see it, you know, in person, and to know that it's yours, you know. So yeah, the back is frosted, as you can see, and the Apple logo is shiny. Also the camera module, it's shiny. So yeah, as we can see, we got the three cameras, and they are upgraded from the last generation, as I heard. I only got the 11 Pro, so I don't know about the 12, but I know that it's more you know, refined, and it's gonna take better video and photos. But I'm the most excited. I think it's this little camera, I'm not sure, but I think so, about the macro camera. So you know that maybe you wanted to take a photo of a really close object, so now you can do that with the macro camera. And yeah, it's very shiny, and I just want to unbox it. So let's see. This is the phone. I really like the sides. These are stainless steel, and yeah, this is the front of the phone. As you can see, on the side we have the power button, and it feels so cold and you know, really great. We got a little mark over here about you know, not recycling it and stuff like that. On the left side we have the volume buttons and also the mute switch, and probably most of you, but also me, I always keep it like that. This is an antenna band, and this is gonna help us with the 5G. And this is the SIM card tray, and you know, all my phones had this SIM card tray on the right side, so now they moved it to the left side. I really love the shine, it's really great. On the top we have one more antenna band, and that's about it. And yeah, to the right side more antenna bands, and on the bottom we have just an antenna band, USB, and you know, some microphones and speakers. So yeah, I'm not gonna bore you guys with all the details and stuff like that, because I know you guys want to see the reveal. And yeah, here they just say that this is the power button and all that I've said already. Let's take out the little cover. Okay, so satisfying. Minus $1,000. Okay, so this is the phone. It's very shiny, and I really don't want to use it because it's so shiny. As you can see, the notch is a little bit smaller, but I'm going to show you after I'm gonna turn it on. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, the Apple logo, and yeah, we are gonna set it to the side, and let's see what do we have in the box. Hello. So in the box we have little to nothing, to be honest. As you can see, this little package designed by Apple in California, and we have the SIM ejector tool. Okay, that's about it over here. Safety and handling and stuff like that in different languages, and just one Apple logo. As far as I know, this Apple logo, it's bigger because it's the Pro Max, but yeah, I'm gonna do another video on my channel after another 13 Pro is gonna arrive, and we are gonna compare it, because I'm very curious. But yeah, just one Apple logo, and that's about it. And also we have the Lightning to USB-C cable, and this is how you're supposed to charge the phone. I'm very curious to see if it's gonna work with a slow charger, because I don't know if you guys know, but if you're gonna use a fast charger, this is how I destroyed basically my battery for the 11 Pro. I used the fast charger, and yeah, that basically destroyed my battery, but you know, this is the cable, and I'm probably gonna use the slow charge. So yeah, as you can see, that's about it in the box. It's a bummer because you're not gonna get more of no goodies, but yeah, as you can see, this is the phone. You can see the notch is way smaller than what we are used to it. I'm very excited to see how this phone is gonna perform, and about the 120 Hz display, that's the most exciting part. And yeah, I'll do a follow-up video with the review, but this was just the unboxing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and this was a very exciting video for me to do. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Be well, be safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.